Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to save PDF file from layers in Photoshop. I have a magazine file that contains 5 pages as layers. We can save these layers as separate PDFs and then combine as well. I will teach you the whole process, so stay connected. For this, you have to create an artboard from layers. Before this, select the crop tool and press enter twice to ensure that there is no extra area around the edges. Right-click on the first layer and choose Artboard from Layers. Keep all the settings default and hit OK. Repeat the process on all layers. Do arrange all the artboards as per your choice. Now I have 5 artboards. Then head over to the File menu, Export, and Artboards to PDF. Click on Browse button to select the folder where you want to save the PDF. Here is the file name section. Follow my other settings here. Here we have options to save PDF, multiple page document per artboard. Multi-page document is for one PDF of all artboards. And document per artboard option is for separate PDFs for all the artboards. I am going to show you these options. Hit OK. And here you can see, this creates all artboard separate PDFs. Now I am going to try other option. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic related tutorials. Thank you for watching.